Hello again, Pietro here. So I have a problem. I run out of space on my laptop all the time. You know, it only has 256 gigabytes of space, so hard drive to the rescue. I had a terabyte hard drive and it just wasn't doing the job, so I want to try this Seagate 2 terabyte rescue. This should store all of my Final Cuts and a bunch of raw footage that I can't bear to part. So we're gonna unbox this with the vertical view. Brought my little hefty duty knife because if you've ever tried to open these things, they are, they have to make them difficult because they don't want theft in the store. I got this at Costco. It's on sale for $59. Oh, we're almost there. Make a small incision. Oh my gosh. Oh, we're getting there. There we go. Oh my goodness. Knife safety right in the locker. Oh. Okay, well, that is not that bad. It looks so much bigger in the package. It's USB-A. Crap. How did... It doesn't say anywhere here on the box that it says USB. I'm like, Seagate, you really got to specify. Oh, man. Son of a nutcracker. That was a wash. The problem is when you connect a USB-A through like a port replicator or a USB hub, it's not as fast. I mean, when you really want a really good speed, you want to connect this, whoops, wrong side. You want to connect this directly to USB-C. You know, these beautiful ports directly on the laptop, not... Man, I'm really disappointed. I'm not even going to keep the stickers. I'm actually upset. It should say US... Sorry, it's been a really frustrating day already, and on top of that, I don't have what I need. Well, I mean, it's not like it's not a good device, because it is. It's just, it doesn't say USB-A anywhere on here. It just says USB 3.2 Gen 1. See? Right there. It doesn't say any. Works with it. Yeah. Reading the fine print. Please stand by. Compatible with Xbox, Xbox One, Mac OS. Yeah, I've had Seagate gadgets before. Nowhere on here does it say USB-A. That stinks. Well, sorry guys. That was a bust. That was one of the worst unboxing experiences I've had. The good news is I didn't cut myself, because if you know anything, that's a razor blade. That's why you want to keep these away from kids. Man, that stinks. Well, hey, thanks for watching, and Seagate, please work on your packaging. This was a bust. I will return this to Costco. Man, fire Cuda. I mean, the stickers are kind of cool, but I'm not even going to keep those because I don't have the product. All right, that's it. And now you know to go online for packaging. That's all I have today. 2 terabytes, it would have been great. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.